somebody sees
So
it.
yeah, if someone else wearing it, then she'll want to wear it herself. Which is great because she won't stop. She'll go out without a push. I say stop.
Be careful.
She's not one of those children that just, and if a bus is coming, I have to run. That would be great.
Be careful. Be careful.
Yeah, it's not one. He'll do the same thing here. He does it, you know, but he will, I'll tell him stop, he stops, but then he runs.
Oops. Are you okay? Oh, are you okay?
Are you having fun on the couch? Just all by yourself?
Yeah.
These two are like 2 little bruisers.
And they play very often.
Yeah, they play relatively often, I suppose, don't they?
Oh, Ollie and Charlotte.
Yeah.
Did you sign her up for any school?
She goes to playtime. Tuesday, laughing at each other as the Tuesday, Thursday morning, you've got to give me that, whatever it is, a video or